Hey, we're down here with my buddy Mike, the guy who deals in scrap gold and silver, and I'm hating his guts because I sold my silver to him before silver spiked, the bastard. And he says business is booming. Come on, Mike, business can't be doing that good.
Well, this is just one customer that came in, and like she said, she owns a coin laundry, and this is the stuff she found in the drains.
What?
People send these type of things in to cash for gold and get around $200 for it. You know, they get a check for $200 and they think they got a lot of money. This is around $1,500 worth of gold, scrap gold. I mean, I always got silver for sale whenever people ask for some. Ingo Hertz.
A lot more.
Yeah, I charge 50 cents to $1 over spot. If it's just one piece, $1 over spot. If it's a lot, 50 cents. I could even go 25, 30 cents.
See, free commercial for my buddy Mike, and we'll put his link in the sidebar on this video. But look at this. This is all collected over what? A period of weeks or months or what?
This?
Yeah.
No. From yesterday 4 p.m. and this morning.
For the people that don't understand this, what are we looking at dollar-wise in terms of this much stuff?
60,000 with the gold.
You're kidding me.
No.
You're
this
serious.
This is around 15,000, another 15,000. This is around another 10,000. This is pure gold right here.
Holy crap, man.
This is real money. This real money.
I favorited that my buddy's been profiling. They're talking about Japanese company, Chinese companies buying huge stakes in some of these small, well, they're not small, but gold miners in Canada and Mexico, Asians, and also, do you have a comment on the whole China and Russia now selling gold and silver to banking customers? I mean, what do you think about Asia? I mean, what's happening in Asia? CNBC is saying that it's all just a fluke.
No. In China right now, they're buying up gold and silver like it's going out of style.
Yeah.
Seriously, this like infomercial style that they're selling gold to their, to their
Holy
regular
crap,
people.
Well, the currency collapses. I mean, the dollar's hitting all-time lows. Gold's hitting all-time highs.
Yeah.
Silver's hitting highs. It's almost like I'm hoping. Well, here's what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping for a pullback again, a little bit in the metals, and the dollar to strengthen a little bit. But you know what happens when I predict things? The opposite happens. I'm good at predicting the opposite. So if I think that's going to happen, there's probably not going to be a pullback in gold.
You buy these, and when you buy it for 13, 20, 50 bucks, 30 bucks, who cares? That's why I could outbid anybody. If the spot price is $16.80, right? I didn't update that yet today. Okay. It's around $16.80 today, and gold should be around 1,007.
Holy crap!
And like I was saying, I don't care. I could outbid everybody because it doesn't matter. I'll buy these at 16. I'll buy it at 17. I'll buy it at 18 because I'm not selling these until they're 200, 500.
Because we're in a unique marketplace right now. Right now, you basically have a bull market that's not going to end. There's no end in sight.
I'm pretty sure a few of these are, gold is insurance. Gold is insurance, but silver.
Start collecting the copper pennies, even though that sounds ridiculous.
Yeah.
Just do it.
Yep. I mean, who cares if it lies around in your backyard for the next 20 years?
How about nickels? Nickels have like 70% copper in them.
Anything, just metal.
So I could line up my whole closet with nickel boxes. That's pretty easy to do. And you're saying that'll be worth something?
They're more widely used. So with inflation, right?
Yeah.
Those are going to be hit the hardest. I mean, those are going to be the fastest rise.
I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. Because I had a whole closet full of nickels, but I was worried because they're not 100% pure copper. And pennies you have to separate because only before 1983 or 1981 they're pure copper. So, but what you're saying is just collect metal.
Yeah, just collect metal.
Even if they're aluminum cans, you're saying.
Yeah, who cares? It's all material. I'd rather not have a whole bunch of metal. That's why I do gold, the most noblest of the metals, the most interchangeable, the most exchangeable of all metals.
And for all you guys out there that say gold isn't liquid, I beg to differ because I've sold my gold. It's very freaking easy to sell gold. Like that. Like that. And silver is pretty damn liquid too.
Oh yeah, I could go around the corner and sell off a gold piece to get some food at McDonald's right away.
Dude,
Right?
my buddy had a gold necklace with a dolphin, 24 karat dolphin. He sold it for $30, and then that dude sold it for $100. I mean, people he told me, he didn't tell me about it because I didn't tell him about it. And that's another thing, and real quick, because I'm running out of battery power. I've referred Mike a couple customers, and right now he's going to pay me a referral check. Here's my challenge with the whole scrapping gold thing. I've told my family, I've told my friends about it, but it's almost like I'm not you, man. I can't. It seems like I'm kind of hitting a wall with going, and I'm just wondering, how do I get motivated to get this going here?
Everybody talks about these days, the first thing out of their mouth, I don't have any money.
Yeah.
The way we used to talk about a few years back about the economy, now everybody's talking about the economy.
Yeah, and everyone's broke now.
Yeah. What they don't realize is they have, on an average, $1,000 of unused, broken. I don't mean stuff that they use right now or they're trying to hold. Stuff that's been lying around, sitting in the drawer. You haven't seen it for the last 20 years. They have $1,000 worth.
Well, my friends must be really broke because they don't have any gold laying around anymore.
They probably sold it all already.
So I guess the conversation you'd have with those people is, hey, there's a way you can make money by talking to people.
Yeah.
But
now just how about referring and then making 10% off this bull run, right? Give us that chart. Those are my regulars now, who do it at least once a week, who refer people once a week.
so you developed a kind of like a referral network.
Yeah.
And that's what people need to do. They need to talk to their family. They need to talk to your friends. We need to deal with real. I've been doing video series about this, dealing with the world of the real, and what's more real than gold and silver is what you're saying.
Yeah, nothing is more real than gold and silver. I find the gold is the most liquid thing available, and look at it like this. Today, if I felt like it, I could take this 10,000, liquidate it in 30 minutes, or even 15 minutes. My guy will come out here and buy it in 20 minutes. Take $10,000, go across the street, and get a car within an hour. Can you do that with
No.
a check?
No?
I can do that with gold. They say you can't eat gold? Yeah, I sure can.
Yeah, because you transfer it to something.
Right now, paying the referral fees for your cousin Jeffrey and for yourself, George. Since you referred me to Jeff and Jeff referred me to somebody else, I pay people by commissions based on who they know.
Yeah, it's a standard referral fee. We do that. We did that in real estate all the time. When you referred me a home buyer or someone would get a loan, we'd give you a fee.
Yeah.
Or like a finder's fee, they call it.
Yep. But me, I pay the next person who also referred them too.
So you do a double pop.
Yeah.
That's awesome, man. That's way generous.
So Jeffrey, your cousin, will get $360. And for you, George, since you referred Jeffrey, you get 5%, $180 for not knowing what happened.
Yeah,
That's
I will.